is the engine that powers it. The Caterpillar, it says model D342. Rated at 128 horsepower. Which is incredible because that block is like darn near 6 feet long. It says Murphy diesel on the radiator though. Apparently it was originally mounted in a Bucyrus Erie drag line that worked in the Vancouver landfill right up till the 1980s. It's kind of neat. The engine's been preserved and used for good cause here for display. We'll try and get a video of it starting up too before there's too many people around. Should sound pretty cool. It's got the little gas engine, the start motor, pup motor here. So with Bruce here, the Fraser Valley Antique Machinery, Farm Machinery Antique Farm Machinery Association there.
Yeah.
I met Bruce 5-6 years ago. I loaded his dump truck on some jobs. And he's working here today with the mill doing the demonstration. So I just asked him if he'd show us young timers just a demonstration of a fire up on the engine here.
Young timers.
Yeah, we don't know nothing about these pup motors. Never got to use. We don't get to use them.
This isn't real great.
All right. So what we have
here is a cat engine, and these used to be in well, they still are, I guess, in a few old Caterpillars. The same models that were used on building the 1202 and would be flown overseas during the war to make runways and that, same styles. Gas engine for the pony start to fire it up. And so here we have clutch, 2 different gears for turning the diesel over once the gas is running. Compression release down when you're going to be starting the diesel.
Oh.
And after the pony's been running, put the clutch in, wait for it to turn over, she'll fire up, and then there's the drive shaft part where we can actually do a start up here.
So that's gas then?
Yeah,
you're turning on the gas for the pup motor.
For the pony engine, for the pup. It still starts by crank. Actually, we can even give it a quick one if we wanted. If it doesn't, we'll go back to the battery. Come on, baby. Maybe we should have just went electric.
That's awesome. Thanks,
Just
Bruce.
that easy, as Shell Buzzy would say.